When installing a new roof, choose the best protection by installing an Atlas Signature Select roofing system from Roberts Roofing. Unlike many other roofing warranties that promise more than they deliver, the Atlas warranties pack value and assurance into an enhanced premium protection period. With the installation of an Atlas Signature Select roofing system, all of the components from underlayment to ventilation and shingles work together to give you outstanding protection, excellent coverage, and enhanced warranty opportunities. Peace of mind comes standard because the Atlas Signature Select roofing system helps protect your roof from wind damage, black streaks caused by algae, and roofing system failures. In the Atlas Signature Select roofing system, there are 6 essential components to ensure premium protection for years to come. The first line of defense is a waterproof underlayment such as WeatherMaster Ice and Water 200. This self-adhesive underlayment seals to the roof deck and protects the valley's rakes, eaves, and flashing from water infiltration, ice dams, and damage from wind-blown rain. Next is Summit 60, which is a lightweight synthetic underlayment that enhances the life of your roof system by protecting against water infiltration and mold growth. Next, the shingling process will begin, and Roberts Roofing will first install Atlas Pro Cut Starter shingles, which serve to protect the edge of your roof. Your shingles are the most visible part of your roof. Pinnacle Pristine, an Atlas designer shingle with Scotchgard protector, is known for providing stunning color that lasts. Storm Master Shake is one of Atlas's most premium shingles. It delivers both durability and assurance, with timeless curb appeal. Ventilation is also a vital part of your roofing system. Atlas True Ridge and High Point ventilation products allow your house to breathe and help control moisture that can lead to problems such as mold and mildew. Cap off your new roof with Pro Cut or Storm Master Hip and Ridge shingles. They are the perfect complement to Atlas designer shingles to give your home a polished, finished look. Remember, when you're having a new roof installed by Roberts Roofing, your shingle, underlayment, ventilation, and Atlas warranty protection all work together to protect your home. Choose Roberts Roofing and the Atlas Signature Select roofing system for outstanding protection and excellent coverage. For more information about the Atlas Signature Select roofing system, contact Roberts Roofing on 845-566-7663 or complete our online inquiry form at robertsroofingny.com.